promise you a glorious birthday, Dr. Claw.
All the Cupido bombs will go off at the same time. And the man in the moon
Will become the man in the moon.
Excellent. Not even Gadget can stop me now.
It will be great to get inside and look at the stars.
They're not real stars, Uncle Gadget.
The real stars can't have gone far. I'll track them down for you, Great Inspector. All right, what happened to the stars? Hey, man, like, wow, you know? All right, what happened to the stars? Won't talk, eh? Okay, I'm taking you in. Wow, I'm flying. Yeah.
Many people say they can see a man's face in the moon.
Yes, Chief? You're where? I'll be right there. Go, go, Gadget ladies. Chief? Are you here? Here's your assignment, Gadget. Go, go, Gadget flashlight. Mad scientist changing face of moon for Claw's birthday. Proceed to moon and stop man. Rocket waiting. Caution. This message will self-destruct. Right away, Chief. Thanks, Mans. It was nothing, really.
The man is a living legend.
Oh, maybe I'm getting too old for this kind of work. Now it's ready.
I'm ready.
There. It's ready for Operation Moonshot.
Hey, Uncle Gadget.
This will be too dangerous for you, Penny.
But I told my teacher I'd do a report on the moon.
Well, all right.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Gadget.
But you'll have to stay out of the way.
Fly! I can fly! Oh, Great Inspector, I'll fly you to the rocket.
A race to the launching pad?
Yes, oh, wondrous one. I fly quite well now.
Good to know, Captain. Ready? Go.
That's enough of a head start. Fly, fly, Super Cape Man! Did I fly far? Who asked you anyhow?
I have to move out of this neighborhood.
Come in, Dr. Claw.
Report.
Inspector Gadget is here to take the rocket to the moon.
Gadget, eliminate him.
Yes, Dr. Claw.
Go, go, Gadget clock. Almost time for the liftoff. Where's Captain? Ah, here comes the forklift to load the Gadget-mobile on the rocket.
He's driving awfully fast.
Of course, Penny. Everything in the space room has to go fast. Right this way, fella. Here comes the forklift. Now give him a hand. Go, go, Gadget lifters. Yeah!
That was close, Brain. I have a feeling Dr. Claw's behind this.
Yeah, Red Row.
Wait! Inspector! Oh, you must have taken the shortcut, oh great one.
You're just in time, Copman.
I would have made better time if I'd had a tailwind.
It's so exciting, Brain. We're really going to the moon.
I could have made much better time if I'd had this wind.
Inspector Gadget, this way.
Coming through. That's more like it. Everything's ready.
What's going on? Gadget and that fool Cape Man. Gadget's on the moon shuttle. You must eliminate him.
All safe now, eh, great Inspector?
Brain, it's dangerous if you don't fasten your seatbelt. It's all right now, Brain. Brain?
Now, for your viewing pleasure, we will now open the shuttle port. It's great to be in space again.
Yes, great! I love space!
Look, Brain, aren't the stars beautiful?
Excuse me, Inspector. We need your help in the aft compartment. Gladly. Inspector Gadget is always on duty. Wowzers.
I'll give you a hand. Golly, my flying is improving. Great Inspector!
You'd better follow them, Brain.
Whoa.
All right, Inspector. It's safe now. You can go in.
Thank you, Copman. I don't know how I ever managed without you.
The problem leak is in here, Inspector.
Whoa.
I'm afraid there's only room for one.
It's all right, Captain. I can handle this. Go, Gadget magnifying glass.
If you need to speak to your friend, just push the red button.
I'm glad you warned me. I thought it was some emergency exit button. Wow! It's a fire drill!
Wow! Wow! Wowzer!
Brain, I brought some spacesuits. Remember, Brain, keep a tight hold on the safety cord.
All right, Red Row.
Here goes. Hold on tight.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
helmet. Ah, that was some leak. Go, go, Gadget booster jets.
Uncle Gadget!
Everything is fine now, Penny.
Oh no, Brain!
Help!
Hang on tight, Brain. We're going to land.
Go, go, Gadget lifter.
Are you okay, Brain?
Leave it to Cape Man.
We did it!
Wow!
Wow!
My flying is improving with every try. Oh! Oh!
Well, look at that. Captain is improving amazingly.
Yeah, I improved a lot.
That's normal on the moon.
Hooray! I'm flying.
Calm down, Brain.
Ow!
I brought something for you, Penny.
Whee! This is great, Uncle Gadget. Mwah!
I can't keep them down with this thing.
I'll use my gravity charger. Too much gravity. I've almost got it.
So, now what happens?
That's obvious. The doll that went up will eventually fall down.
You have failed me. Gadget is on the moon. Eliminate him. And I mean now.
What's that, Brain? Brain, Dr. Claw's up to something. We better watch Uncle Gadget.
This time, I'll fly even farther. Wondrous Inspector, watch this.
Hey, what is that? Wowzers. It's a little woman in the moon.
Perfect. The bomb is in place. A little gravity is all those two need.
Oh, wowzers.
I forgot how to fly.
We did it.
When the doll goes boom,
It will be doom for Gadget.
Hello, mademoiselle.
Brain, that doll is a bomb. And they're blocked by a gravity superforce.
Oh.
Okay. There!
Hey!
in a few seconds, we can...
Say Gadget is no more.
A walk along the bottom of a crater isn't so bad.
I brought the moon creature along.
My name is Inspector Gadget. I would advise you to cooperate. We come in peace.
And my name is Cake Man. You better fess up.
Brain, we have to get that bomb away from them.
Rock! Ruffo! Ruffo! Wow!
Whoa! Yeah!
Be careful!
I'm flying! I'm flying!
Goodbye, Inspector Gadget.
And good riddance.
Brain, are you all right?
What a naughty dog!
Capman, I can't find the Moon Lady. Help me find her.
My pleasure.
You stay here and keep an eye on Uncle Gadget. I'll go find those mad agents.
The Moon Girl is gone, dear Inspector.
Capman, we must continue the search.
Yes, Inspector.
I'll go this way, Capman. You go the other.
Yes, Ultimate Inspector.
That kid is A-OK.
Soon the celebration will begin, Mad Cat. Be sure Gadget is gone. I want no more interference.
Don't worry, Dr. Claw. He will no longer interfere.
10 minutes to blasting time.
Each doll is in the right place.
To explode at the right time.
And show our beautiful MAD logo forever over the earth.
Good. Be sure it works.
But what does it mean? This is the face of the moon now. If there were some more explosions here and there. Oh, Dr. Claw, this is too much even for you.
So, here you are. I am friend. Me, Gadget. Here, Brain, keep an eye on this one. This Moon Lady will be a big hit on Earth.
Look, Great Inspector. I found 2 more.
Hi. Welcome, Moon Ladies. We must learn to communicate with them.
Finally, the big doll for the big hole of MAD logo. This crater is just right for this doll.
A big, big hole. The job's not done yet.
Come back! Come back!
Come here.
Come back!
Wait for me.
Oh, no! All the bombs are gathered around Uncle Gadget. 3 minutes until they explode. I've got to hurry.
Wowzers. Look, Capman, it's their mother.
Oh, Mom! Oh, Moon Mom!
It's Gadget.
He's alive.
Brain, get the bombs out of the Gadget mobile. We only have 30 seconds.
Hello, Moon Lady.
Hi, Moon Mommy.
Hello. Are you Moon people, too? You are being rude and crude towards this lady. She is our friend.
Oh, no! Give me that, Brain! Kate, man, let go! Hurry!
What?
Please hurry! We did it!
Yay!
creatures.